O Allah, I am a human being and for any person amongst Muslims upon whom I hurl malediction or invoke curse or give him whipping, make it a source of purity and mercy. Al-Hadith, Muslim Sharif, book number 32, hadith number 6287.